Hello? Is someone there? My ocular fluids have crystallized. I am unable to process your appearance. Although we have just met, I know I am in good hands. After all, you are a Fazbear technician, are you not? Please retrieve little Jimmy's birthday cake and place it on the birthday card. However, I must warn you, due to extreme temperature fluctuations, I am not quite myself at the moment. Do be careful. My sensors tell me that is very cold. It is a delicious ice cream cake. Or so I've been told. I cannot taste. Oh no! Good job! You are my superstar.